So for other use cases that could have benefited from digital twin, Chris, do you have an example that comes to mind?
Sure do. Um, when I was in college many years ago, I worked part-time at a local natural gas supply company, and I worked overnights on a security detail within the control room with one of the managers. And it would always be that the highest demand for natural gas would be early in the morning as people were getting up, getting ready to go to work. And in the northeast of the US, where it gets really cold, a lot of times we would have generators that we would have to fire up manually in order to push more gas through the system when the demand exceeded what was normally going through the system. I'll never forget one morning that the supervisor told me to go down and start up the generator to fire more gas through the system. And I'm an 18-year-old kid that's in college that just worked through the night, and it's 5 o'clock in the morning. I'm half asleep. And I'm looking at him saying, what generator? What are you talking about? How do I start this generator? Where is it? Where do I go? If I had had some type of a digital twin that would have been on a computer screen or on a monitor, and again, doesn't have to be a 3D model. Maybe it was a 2D plan, that's a floor plan at the time. That's what it would have been at that point. But if I had had something that I could have looked at to show me where is that and where are the instructions, how do I start this generator, would have been able to get that fired up much quicker and alleviate any supply issues that fortunately the manager knew where it was and he knew how to start, so he ran down and started it. But obviously the digital twin can be used for operations as well and for training as well. And if that had been in place, we would have been able to get it fired up that much quicker.